Hello everyone, Diego Mayer here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the email flow I've been using. When I literally installed this, it started booking like 2 or 3 times the amount of calls I was booking before, when I didn't have this email flow, which is completely automated. So once a lead is captured by your lead magnet, for example, they submit your email on their phone, etc. Most people just add those leads to their email list first without verifying the leads. That can be without really getting them to know about your offer. And that was my mistake, and I'm going to show you how you can set this up so when they submit the form, they will get like 3 emails in the next couple of minutes. Well, in the next hours, that they will get 3 emails with your offer. And how I'm doing it, like I said, to book 2 or 3 times the amount of calls I've been booking in the past. So yeah, with this simple thing, you need to set up once, literally, and then it will be done automatically forever. We're gonna go to the computer now. Okay, so here we are on the computer, and what we're gonna start with doing is I'm gonna show you a little bit how this works, right? If you go to my website, skillstream.io/resources, you will find that here I have a little form which you can submit. As you can see, first name, phone, email, and some other information. It's not really important, but yeah, as you can see, when someone submits a form, let's say I'm going to submit a form. This is just an example, and I'm going to click get access. Okay, thanks, resources will be sent to your email. And as you can see, this is going to be run automatically, and this is going to run with my current information, right? Yeah, as you can see, it just ran like a couple seconds ago. But as you can see, it run with my information, and as you can see, here's my email right here. And first it went to verify my email via an API, which of course it was deliverable. So then I got my email. If I go to my Gmail now, so now as you see, I got my email right here, right? Hello there, it's Diego from skillstream.io. I'm only in the email to deliver access to a web page you requested. Here's a link. Please reply yes if you have received it, so I know that it went through. And as you can see, I'll be sending you 3 emails in the next 20 minutes. That will help you a lot. And then the last thing we do right here is we add the lead to Beehiiv, which is going to be where we will be sending emails. In my experience, Beehiiv is the best because not only you can send automated email sequences, but you could also schedule email campaigns. That's in terms of like writing a weekly newsletter, etc., right? I'm gonna go over to my Beehiiv and show you how this actually works out in terms of the automation section. Okay, so here we are in Beehiiv on the automation section, and as you can see, here we have the email flow, which is the 3 email flow. Here will be the option to book a call or to get another training, etc. And with this, you're able to, like for example, with this, I just launched this a couple weeks ago, and I already have 95 people that went through this flow and that clicked my links, right? Every single person that is a new subscriber goes through the automation sequence and then goes right here, which, for example, every single week I'm writing a new post, and let's say this week I uploaded a new YouTube video, I will push it through my newsletter as well, so people can go take a look at that video and actually go back and book a call with me. So it's all a funnel that works very good together. I'm going to show you how you can actually build this out in make.com and Airtable. Even if you don't have your lead collection form and Airtable, you can pretty much build it anywhere using webhooks and make.com, etc., right? So what you're going to do first is you're going to go to your scenarios, and you're going to click add a new scenario, right? What you will do is you will just set up a custom webhook, which is going to be right here. And if you're using Typeform for this, you can send a webhook with all of the Typeform information. And yeah, in this example, I'm going to do get a record, because it's going to be an Airtable record that is going to be submitted when a lead responds to this form. And as you can see, depending on the use case, or on the not on the use case, but on the platform you're using, you're going to have a different webhook. In this case, we're going to build it on Airtable, so I'm going to show you how to build it, right? So you're just going to create another webhook, and I'm going to copy the address. So what we need to do is, when a form is submitted, we need to choose the form. We're updating status to just submit it, and then we're going to run a script that will actually send the webhook to over here to make.com. And what we need to do now is we're going to copy this address, and we're going to click edit code, and you're just going to copy and paste this code right here. Okay, just going to copy and paste this code. And if you don't want to do this, the templates will be down below in the description, of course, as always, right? You're just gonna add an input variable right here, our Airtable record ID. Just select here, Airtable record ID, just do one. Okay, once you did this, you're gonna click update record. I'm just gonna I added this, like added to Beehiiv status, and so that when I'm done and with the automation, I know it's added to Beehiiv and I know the email is verified. But you can pretty much update your CRM however you want, right? This is just in my current situation because I'm using Airtable, right? So yeah, once you set this up so that when a form is submitted, you send the information over to the webhook. That's the important part. We're gonna get the record, right, from Airtable base, or if you're using Typeform, you're gonna get the Typeform information, all the questions, all the email, right? So in this example is going to be the email list. Okay, so as for the email list, so I'm going to put lead magnet email list, and I'm just going to run this once so that copy address, clipboard, click OK, and run once, and I'm going to send the test webhook, right? So I'm going to send this test webhook. I'm going to run this automation. Okay, it worked. Once it works, you can now actually map your values. So to map the values, you just select the record ID, which is going to be right here. Just click OK. And then now you can, actually call the API. So for the API we're going to use, it's actually called Million Verifier. What Million Verifier does is that it actually verifies the email before it actually, sends an email, because a lot of the times people submit, bad emails just to get the email template or the email stuff you're offering for free without getting the emails, right? And we don't want to get those kind of people. So that's why I like to verify the emails before I actually send them. So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna click make a request. To make the request, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to your Million Verifier account. In this case, I have it right here. Okay, so as you can see, here I am in my Million Verifier account. This is the cheapest, and most reliable way you can actually verify emails, and it's super pretty simple to use. And if you want to sign up, for a bunch of free credits, just the link is gonna be down below in the description. So yeah, once you are here on your Million Verifier and you have a bunch of credits, you're just gonna put the URL and you're just gonna go to API, right? You're gonna go to API and you're gonna go to the API documentation, and you're just gonna put the single API. And we're gonna copy this and you're gonna paste this URL. You see it right here, right? API Million Verifier, API equals your API key. So right here, we're gonna copy and paste our API key, which I'm gonna do without showing you guys, because you can't see my API key. And for the email, we're just gonna put this email as it is right here, right? And timeout is equals to 10. You can just leave it equals to 10. Okay, and here you just copy and paste your API key. So once you've added your API key, what you're gonna do is click run this module only, and you're gonna just select an example email you might have. And as you can see, status code 200, that means this is actually run successfully. You don't need to add anything else but the GET request and the API keys, right? Once you run this, you will get the status, which is if it's good, if it's risky to send, or if it's bad, it's a bad email. So we only want to add the good emails into our Beehiiv campaign. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna create a subscriber right here, and only if it's good, something like this, and you're gonna just select cookie headers or headers number 1. So just gonna select go over here and select the data, and quality equals good. Just gonna copy this, and you're gonna go back here to the filters, and you're just gonna click data, and text operators contains data equal quality equals good, right? What you're gonna do here is only good emails. Okay, so we only want good emails. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna click cancel right here, and we have the filter already set up so that only good emails follow through, and bad emails just stay here. And lastly, we're gonna update that record. But yeah, if you have any other platform you're sending your emails with, you can add it right here. But before we're actually gonna send the email which we're gonna deliver our lead magnet, right? We're just gonna send this to a normal email. So I'm just gonna create a subscriber right here, and this is gonna be, I'm gonna set up Beehiiv in a moment, right? So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna send an email, right? To send an email, we just add our lead magnet link right here in the subject, and the email will be the actual email that's right here. And this is fine if we grab it from the source, because we already filtered down, so the emails won't even follow through this step if there aren't good emails, right? So just click OK. I'm just gonna send this as a test. And for the create a new subscriber, I'm just gonna add the email as well right here. The email right here, source. I'm just gonna leave this empty, medium campaign, empty. Okay, that's good. We add a new subscriber to Beehiiv, and then we just update like the email list or whatever you're using with that's the lead is actually being in the sequence, right? So this is very important for me to track, like what kind of actions that does the lead actually go through, right? So in this example, is going to be the status of the lead is just going to be added to Beehiiv, right? So here was just submitted, and then it's just added to Beehiiv. So what we're going to do here is we're going to set up Beehiiv, so once we add a new lead, it's automatically added to their automation sequence, right? And that's what we want to do. So our automation sequence is going to be a three email flow, and I'm not going to go through specifics on how to set this up. You just add a trigger, which is pretty simple right here. You add a trigger, which is if signed up, trigger when a new subscriber signs up for your newsletter. So if signs up, you need to activate this, and then you just add a time delay, wait until, or time delay right here, and 2 minutes. I just set this up to 2 minutes. And then you can first, you need to write your email, which is going to be right here. I'm not gonna give you, if you want, I can give you the you can get this email if you sign up to the if you sign up to get the resources down below, which this template is going to be down below, of course. Like always, it's going to be down below in the description if you just want to grab this without having to set this up yourself. The template is going to be down below, and you're going to be receiving these emails, which I use to book calls, right? So as you can see, you set up the 3 emails, which will send up in about 30 minutes. So a lot of people will get to know about your offer and the problems that you are solving specifically for them. So after this, you basically got everything set up. After this happens, they will be in your email list, and every week or every 2 or 3 days, whatever you decide, you just go here and you start writing, and you'll just promote your other conversion mechanisms. Like, let's say you have a school group, just write about it, push all of your email subscribers that school group, and they will be able to see what you're doing and sign up through there, right? So yeah, as you saw, that was a pretty nice and useful workflow that's pretty simple to set up, and that can really 2 or 3x the amount of calls you're booking right now with your email list, right? So if you're offering any kind of lead magnet, this will be pretty useful to you. If you want the template to this make.com scenario, just go down below in the description and grab that template. Remember to sign up to make.com and Airtable and Million Verifier. The links will be down in the description as well if you want to get some discounts, some deals on that, and if you want to support the channel, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for today. See you in the next video. And if you want systems like this, I know this was pretty simple. If you want systems like this, automate up to 80% of your business in under 90 days, which we achieve for a lot of our clients, just book a call down below with me. It's 30 minutes. We'll go over, you'll leave with a strategy after the call. Okay. So yeah, that was pretty much it for today, guys. Like, subscribe, whatever you really want. I don't really care, but yeah, I'll be posting more videos like this in the next couple days, so stay up for that. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.